Hi, today I'm going to go over C strings. I'm just going to comment out the codes we did last time, and then I'm just going to create a divider here. I'm just going to call this C string. Now, what is a C string? Now, first let's start with a string. A string is um, is a is or I should say, yeah, a string is characters um placed inside of double inside of quotation marks. And then an example is word. So this is an example. Example and colon word is a string because they're placed inside of the quotation marks. A C string is characters that is an array of characters that equals a string, but have a terminating null character. Has so a C string is is an array of characters that equals a string, but has a terminating null character, which is backslash 0. That's the null terminating character, and okay, let's implement the C string. Let's see what's the difference between. Oh no, let's just implement the C string. This so let's say an array of characters. So we're going to say car C string. So this is an array of characters. How many characters? Let's say 5, WORD. And let's set it equal to word. Now, the C string is going to be equal to C string is going to be equal to word plus the null character. So, which is going to be word, and then you have null character. So this is the backslash 0 is a single character, and the the word or the string word has four as an array of four characters, but because no characters added to it, it now has 5 characters. And since there's 5 characters, we have to set C string to equal to 5. And because that's going to resemble the size of the word. And if you were to run this program, let's say cout cstr, let's run this program. You can see the word gets printed out and there's no errors. Now, if you were to turn this 5 into a 4 and run this program, you'll see there's an error. That's because the size is less than the size of the character array or the string. So you have to set it to 5. And since this is an array, the first element starts at index 0, then it goes 1, 2, 3, and then at the fourth index, it's the null terminating character. And let's see, 4, there should be nothing display at index 4. So this is the C string, and also you can't set C string equal to SDSD. You can't do that. You have to use a library. I think it's called let's go into C++, the C++ site. Let's type in string CPY, and we have to use the C string directive. Let's include it. C string. In order to set the C string to equal to another word, we have to do strcpy string copy. Destination is cstr, and then let's do w or d. Let's do word2, wrd2, and that, so you can't set the C string equal to another string. You have to use string copy, which is a function inside of a different directive, and it should work. Hold on. Oh, they've changed it, so it's been deprecated. So we're going to use string copy, yes, which is destination, then the constant character pointer, which is just a string, and it's word2. Let's run this program. And here, oops, hold on. Let's remove this and run this program. Here you can see word2 gets printed out. So string C string, that's how you use C string, and this is it about C string. Let's see. I'm going to end it here, and thank you for watching.